with bright colored ribbon and beads. Cut a piece of ribbon and simply stick it on one side of shorts using a fabric glue. Next I'm going to make a row of beads. Take some thread and a needle. Fold the thread a couple of times, thread on a needle and make a knot on the other side. Make the first stitch through the jeans. Then take your beads, I went for minty green ones, and thread about 6 of them on. Make a stitch toward the inside of the shorts, then go about 1 inch back with the thread and make a stitch towards the outside of the shorts. Now go once again through the last 2 beads to secure them in place. Doing this will prevent that the beaded stripe would start hanging down when you put the shorts on. Add a few more beads to finish the row. Make a stitch to the inside, then a knot or 2, and finally cut away the excess thread. Now you just have to make random beaded and ribbon stripes all along one side of your shorts. Here I'm going for a corally ribbon. This one I'm sticking in place with the fabric glue and the help of a toothpick. You can also first apply the glue all along the ribbon and then stick it on your shorts. The glue is quite visible through the ribbon at first, but is much less noticeable when it dries, so it doesn't bother me. But if you want to, you can always sew the ribbon stripes instead of gluing them. Here I'm again making a beaded row, but this time using neon yellow beads. Thread on 6 of them and make a stitch to attach them to the shorts. Then thread on another 6 beads and make a stitch. Just a few more beads, the final stitch, and the row is finished. Continue like this with some ribbon and some beaded rows randomly for a fun pop of color and texture on your shorts. And there you have it, the coolest looking pattern! With such a fun front, we have to balance it out and make a party in the back as well. Therefore I'm covering one of the pockets with ribbon and beads. Here comes the first piece of ribbon, following with the row of beads, and so on. I really like the bold colors of my beads and ribbon, which pop on the dark jeans. This is why recycling old clothes is so much fun. You get to choose the colors, the materials and designs that suit your skin tone, personality, or go perfectly with that shirt you have laying in your closet because you never knew what to pair it with. Just the final ribbon piece and the pocket is finished. Again, flip the jeans around, cut 3 ribbon stripes and wrap them around the belt loop for yet another fun touch to these beautiful shorts. I love how happy and bright these shorts are, and they just scream summer! With shorts like this, you really don't need much accessories. I finished my look with a coral top, some Frenchy bracelets and white sneakers. Next we're making beautiful lace detailed shorts for which you will only need old jeans, scissors, nail file, tweezers, lace and fabric glue. First cut the shorts, and I'm using my beloved yellow ones for the guide. I want the front a bit shorter, therefore I'm making some small adjustments until it looks something like this. Try them on to see if you're satisfied. I'm happy with mine, so I'm taking a piece of tape and sticking it to where I want the holes to be. It's better to mark the holes with the shorts on to avoid making holes on the wrong places. You know what I mean. Take the shorts off and cut the holes on the marked spots. I made 2 imperfect rectangles. Now I need to distress the edges and the holes with tweezers, nail file, sandpaper, fork, anything you find appropriate. Pull out some threads, rub the edges with a nail filer, and quickly your jeans will get all ragged and worn out looking. When they seem scruffy and destroyed enough, it's time to grab some lace and cover the holes with it. Cut out a piece that is a bit larger than the hole and place it on the inner side of the shorts covering the hole. That's how it will look in the end. Pretty nice, right? Apply some fabric glue to stick the lace firmly to the shorts. Repeat the steps to cover the other hole. I like making the hole seem perfect rather than a perfect square. You could also do it in a shape of a diamond or a triangle. I just think it goes better with a distressed look. Now we need to take larger pieces of lace and decorate the legs of our shorts. So just grab a lace stripe and glue it all around, starting in the back because that is where you want the 2 ends to meet. I like to place the lace on the shorts and then lift it to apply one glue dot every inch or so. As you do this, press it firmly to assure the lace sticks well to the shorts and won't come off. And this is how our finished lace shorts look like. I really like the mixture of edgy with the distressed part and romantic with the lace. It makes the shorts look so cute and girly, but cool at the same time. I think these shorts are super easy to wear, you can combine it with pretty much everything. Here I paired them with a cropped white top, long golden necklace, some rings and my starred Converse. You could put on brown wedges or sandals, but I kept it rather sporty as I went to play tennis in the park. Give another life to your old clothes and be the creator of your own unique style. Along the way, you will freshen up your closet, save money and protect the environment. Lastly, we're gonna make these cool studded spray-dyed shorts. You need white or light wash jeans, scissors, nail filer, tweezers, a piece of self-adhesive paper, two rounded objects like a glass or a lid, spray paint and studs. Take a pen, mark the approximate length of your shorts and cut the jeans. Try them on and if they're too long, fold the edge to the desired length, secure it with paper clips and take the jeans off. Now you can cut the shorts again, knowing that they will fit you perfectly. This is just another way of making a flawless cut on your jeans. Then take your tweezers and a nail filer and distress the edges to your liking. You can also make holes, tear them a bit, or do whatever you like. I decided not to make any holes, instead I will create a peace sign on one side. Take a piece of self-adhesive paper and draw a circle. I'm just using a glass and outlining it. Then make a smaller circle inside. I'm using a lid of a moisturizer or something. Cut the larger circle out and then cut along the smaller circle to get a ring like this. Now cut one longer paper stripe and two shorter stripes. Combining these four elements will give you the perfect peace sign stencil. Before you start spray painting, you have to protect your working surface. It's better to do this outside, but in any case, put a piece of plastic bag on the ground to protect the grass or whatever you're working on. I also put an old towel on the plastic bag. Stick the peace sign wherever you want to have it. I want to have it on the left bottom part of my shorts. Put a piece of masking tape on the button because we don't want to color it, and since I'm using two spray colors, I decided to protect the upper part of the shorts while I'm working on the bottom. And we're finally ready to start painting. Spray your first color all over the bottom part of the shorts like this. You can leave your color lighter or you can go all out like me and spray a lot of it to get a more opaque result. Use a paintbrush for the edges and corners that the spray didn't reach. Flip the shorts around and spray the back as well. This is how they look so far. Now cover the bottom part of the shorts with a plastic bag and start spraying with your other color. I'm using this fuchsia pink. Don't worry if it looks kind of funny right now, because after a while the colors will start blending and will create a beautiful gradient. Again, use a paintbrush to cover the hidden areas around the zipper and under the belt loops. Remove the bag, give it a few final sprays and we're done painting the front. Therefore we can remove the stencil and voila, we're left with a peace sign on our shorts. Spray the top part of the shorts on the back as well. Here I'm again spraying it lightly with the blue to make the gradient more beautiful, and that's it. Let your freshly painted shorts dry completely and then you can decorate them with studs. I decided to dress up my back pockets with these cute star studs. First place them on to see where you want to have them and then you can attach the stars to the pockets. I'm using scissors to twist the metal parts peeking out inside the pocket. I love how these stars pop on the blue color of the jeans. I like the studded details a lot, so I decided to add 3 square studs in the front as well. And here we go, our 4th shorts are complete. I'm super pleased with how they look. Love how the studs and distressed edges make the shorts a bit edgy and grungy, but bright colors give them that happy vibe. These shorts are just so full of detail and life, and I decided to pair them with my It's Awesome crop top, white Converse and some colorful bracelets. Perfect outfit for a happy summer day. So these were my 4 DIY shorts ideas. I honestly love them all and I'm already wearing them like crazy. But tell me in the comments down below which design was your favorite. Also, don't forget that I have Instagram, Twitter and Facebook where you can follow me for more personal updates and also some giveaways. Okay, I'm gonna go now because I'm really scared of trolls. And did you know that they eat stones? That's why the houses here are wooden.